Welcome everybody. It is Crypto Moose and we got to get loose. Right now we are October 2nd of 2023 and we're up a little bit and it's been a little while. So Cardano specifically, we're up 8% on the week. And if we hover over on CoinMarketCap, it looks like Thorchain Rune is taking the lead, at least for the top projects, right? So there are others that, are degen projects, but that's okay. What we're going to do though is specifically go over Cardano. I want to talk about the latest news and a little bit of the update. So I want to give a little macro update of the entire space. It looks like we're doing well on the month, on the week, so to speak. So if we go to the 7 day, we're definitely up a little bit. On the month, it looks like we're just starting to get over this hump. So if we take a look on the year, all right, we're down. We're down 38% from a year ago. But if we go to all time, it looks like we're starting to go sideways again. It's starting to look like, 2020 area a little bit. That's at least what I have in my head, right? So comment down below and definitely subscribe if you want more info. But it seems to me that with Cardano, we are consolidating. I do not see us going much lower than where we're at now. And if you get in now for next bull run, you're going to do extremely well. But it requires patience. It requires for you to be poised and to critically analyze and have an overall perspective of the market and be willing to fail. So it takes a lot of things. If you do want to enhance your skills more, check out our other videos here on the channel. You can also go to our free Cardano mini course. This is free. You just got to put in your email. You get a free workbook and you get the entire course. You learn what is ADA, wallet setup, sending, receiving, staking, yield farming, and more. The moose got loose on that course, okay? And also, you could join our membership as well. We have exclusive videos, more to come as well. All right, so the price point. We're doing good. I think we're doing good, especially on the month. And, I'm down on some of my position, but I started buying heavily at these lows. I got in like right here. I know at about 26, 27 cents I got in. Then we went up and then down again. So I bought up here at about 250. I think it was 250. I got at the top. Then I bought down here at $1 at 50 cents. I've been buying all the way down. So my plan is to hodl, continue to stake, be diligent, and to do well next bull run. Okay. So comment down below. When were you buying? Are you buying now? I would like to know. By the way, I'm not telling you to buy any Cardano, just telling you what I've been up to. Also, before we get into any other detail, I just did a video on staking. So if you take a look here, I went into the 6 month. Now, these numbers were much higher. By the way, this was just out a couple hours ago. Okay, so it was October 1st, 10 p.m. So basically a few hours ago, they opened up staking. And this is brand new. So you can stake your min and earn some ADA. So what is that? 40 million min tokens are now staked. So I talked about it in the last episode. The Bitcoin halving, 198 days away. Okay. So I recommend to do the 6 month. And this will probably be at 10, 15%. It'll probably be, actually, maybe even lower. I think it'll be where the 1 month is. So I think we'll be, if you do the 6 month, you'll probably be earning 9 to 11%, maybe 13 at most. This is going to get lower. Unique stakers, it's already at 135. It will be much, much less. So as you can see here, they even have in the stipulations, you can unstake, but you will forfeit all of your accrued rewards. So you want to commit to something that you can complete. Okay, the 9-month is somewhat dangerous because it's too long, in my opinion. Because if you hit a bull run, the token goes up 10x, why earn 40, 50% when you make 500%, right? It doesn't make sense. So for example, if I go to withdraw, it gives you the warning, right? I forfeit my accrued rewards. So just wanted to go over that. So I've got 25,000 earning 34%. This will fluctuate again. Okay. So I wanted to go over that. What are some of the other news? So by the way, if you want to watch that staking video, how to do it step by step, it's right here on the channel. So it will be under videos. So Chat GPT expects Cardano to hit $15 before the close of 2023. So this is a 13-minute read. I asked Chat GPT to predict the price of Cardano's native token ADA. It expects ADA to hit the price mark of 15 by the end of 2023. That is, I guess what would be the correct word for that? That would be outstanding. However, I just don't see it happening. Bitcoin's got to move before that. There's got to be massive liquidity. So even if you take a look here, we've got another page for you on this. This was September 29th, so a few days ago. Looks like input output, so Cardano's development report, they have all these statistics on the development of Cardano. And Cardano is doing well. Right, a lot more active users, etc. XRP won their case. So that was very good for the entire market as a whole. So on the ChatGPT thing, you guys will probably not be doing any of this. I assume most of you. But if you are, comment down below. Because I would like to use ChatGPT more for this as well. And I only have the free version, so I've never paid for it. So to sum up this article, like this link, when I told the AI bot about the recent Mithril mainnet upgrade, it said ADA could hit $15. So that's based on this, okay? And right now we're at 25 cents. So that would be like a 30x, which would be, well, more than that. That would be a lot. That would be a lot. What was that? 4 times would get you to $1. So that would be like a 40x. That's a lot. If not more, it'd be like a 50x. So I would not expect a $15. I've done videos on this. I could take away the $1. I could see a $5, but not even by mid next year. That's my opinion. Okay. So if we take a look at the development update, this is the one that Charles posted. So September 29th, key highlights: ongoing work on core technology enhancements. So I assume that's just for the entire blockchain. New functionality development in Lace. Lace is a wallet. Marlowe runner development and enhancements. Hydra monthly review meeting conducted in collaboration with Mithril team. Funding an educated team. Okay, so pretty basic stuff here, in my opinion. Like nothing too dramatic. Not to state that this isn't a lot of work, but quite frankly, this isn't going to shift the market. The market is going to be in a bull run when there's a lot more liquidity, when big news happens, when the Bitcoin ETF comes, etc. When people get sick and tired of Ethereum because of gas fees, and I don't think they're even going to fix it, because to fix the gas fees for ETH, you're going to have to either reduce supply, you're going to have to increase supply, which won't happen, or you would have to do token burning. That's the only way. And I just don't see it happening. So statistics to date, 144 projects launched. These are good projects. 8.9 million native tokens. Transactions, 75.6 million. And my favorite, I don't even think it's on here, but I like the fact that there's so many wallets staking. I believe it's still, I'd have to find the number, but I believe it's over 70% of ADA holders stake, which is awesome. And there's a lot of information that I don't even know a lot about myself. So basho scaling, there's a lot of features and information that I have to take a look at. Again, I'm not a coder, I'm a macro investor, and I love Cardano because it is the best blockchain that I've used to date. It encompasses obviously the scalability, the interoperability, the cost effectiveness compared to other blockchains like ETH. It's not the fastest right now, but in terms of scalability and the staking mechanism, it's the best in my opinion. So if this changes, I will change my opinion on it as well. Okay, so that's really nice to see. And if we go to the development report over here as well, there's been a lot of ongoing development in the past couple months and years. So Ledger team remains focused. I noticed that with Ledger, you can now stake ADA. So I've always been a Trezor holder with my ADA, but you know, there's improvements across the board. This is blockchain technology. It's code, right? It's the ability for software to improve and enhance in the world that we're in today, where it's more technologically driven. So the more that we advance through the internet, the more that cryptocurrencies will be able to keep up and update along with it. So it's something to think about as a whole, right? When this Bitcoin halving happens, I'm telling you, April 17th, 2024, you better have put in your investments, right? Not telling you to buy anything, but come on, like, you're talking about the new supply that's available for distribution to miners. It's getting cut in half. Bitcoin is becoming extremely scarce, right? Cardano, let's take a look at Cardano. Total supply, I think there's 36 billion that will be total. So there's only 78%, so it's completely different. Bitcoin's already got like 93%, maybe more, right? Bitcoin's got a lot of the supply already out. Cardano's got more coming out. But so 45 billion, that's the max supply of ADA. But there's already 36 billion left. There's 36 billion that's already been, that's already out there. So there's only like 9 billion ADA left to be staked, and you can stake it very easily. And basically at risk-free, you can still use your ADA. So I like that. Comment down below. Like, I think ADA staking is sexy. It's awesome, right? So, I mean, I've been following ADA since back here. I should have bought some. To be honest, I never bought any Cardano, and I was in the space back here, like at 3-4 cents. Like a dummy, I'm buying at 24 cents, but that's okay. Because long term, this is an entire ecosystem. It's a decentralized network that is going to thrive without human error. So it's really interesting. Okay, so that's all I really wanted to get into. I hope you guys and girls enjoy this video. Again, check out the channel, check out our other videos. We're over 300 videos now, trying to get to 2,000 subs. Help us out. Got to get loose. And yeah, we'll see you all in the next one, okay?